Hello friends, and welcome back to HD Interiors, your trusted destination for elegant and inspiring home decor ideas. A well-designed bedroom is more than just a stylish space, it's a reflection of how you rest, recharge, and feel at home. The focus shifts deeper into thoughtful design choices that make a modern bedroom feel truly luxurious. It's not always about grand gestures. Sometimes, it's the little things, a floating nightstand, a sculptural lamp, a calming color palette, that create the most impact. Whether you're starting fresh or refining your current setup, this video is filled with inspiring ideas to help you shape a bedroom that feels tailored, elegant, and unmistakably yours. Let's explore more ways to turn your everyday space into a personal sanctuary. One of the easiest ways to make a bedroom feel more open and modern is to lift the furniture off the floor. Floating nightstands, wall-mounted vanities, and suspended shelves create a visual lightness that instantly declutters the space. This design trick not only makes cleaning easier but also adds a sleek, contemporary touch that feels fresh and elegant. It's especially useful in smaller bedrooms where floor space is limited. When paired with soft ambient lighting or LED strips beneath, floating furniture adds a subtle glow that enhances the room's atmosphere while keeping the design clean and minimalist. Window treatments do more than control light, they shape the mood of the entire room. Layering sheer curtains with heavier blackout drapes creates depth and flexibility. During the day, soft sheers filter natural light beautifully, giving the room a calm, diffused glow. At night, thicker drapes add privacy and a cocoon-like comfort. Choosing rich, textured fabrics like linen, velvet, or silk brings a sense of quiet luxury to the space. This layered look also allows you to play with contrast, mixing colors or patterns subtly for added interest. It's a simple way to add elegance without overwhelming the design. Lighting doesn't just brighten a room, it can become a statement of art. Sculptural lighting pieces add personality and visual intrigue to a modern bedroom. Think asymmetrical wall sconces, abstract pendant lights, or bold bedside lamps with artistic shapes. These fixtures do more than serve a function, they draw the eye and define the mood. Whether crafted from metal, glass, or natural stone, their unique forms bring dimension and style. Placed thoughtfully, they can highlight textures, frame the bed, or simply stand out as sculptural decor, turning everyday lighting into a luxury design element. Color has the power to shift the entire feel of a bedroom, and in a modern luxury space, it's all about subtle, mood-enhancing accents. Instead of bold or overpowering tones, think soft, earthy shades like sage green, muted terracotta, slate blue, or warm taupe. These colors blend effortlessly into neutral palettes while adding emotional warmth and depth. You might see them in throw pillows, artwork, upholstered chairs, or even painted accent walls. The goal is to create a calming, layered environment where every color feels intentional, contributing to the peaceful, refined atmosphere that defines luxury. Nothing says luxury quite like custom elements designed just for your space. Upholstered benches at the foot of the bed, cozy window seats with tailored cushions, or built-in reading nooks all add a sense of refinement and comfort. These pieces aren't just decorative, they offer functional spots to relax, read, or unwind. Choose high-quality fabrics like velvet, linen, or textured weaves to add softness and elegance. Built-in seating also makes the room feel more intentional and thoughtfully planned, transforming unused corners into inviting, practical features. Pair them with layered pillows, warm lighting, or small side tables to create complete, livable zones. These details don't just fill space, they add heart, comfort, and a sense of personalized luxury that turns a bedroom into a retreat. Walls offer more than just a backdrop, they're a canvas for personal expression. Artistic wall decor brings character into a modern bedroom without overwhelming the space. A curated gallery wall above the bed or a single oversized art piece can instantly anchor the room and reflect your unique style. Think abstract prints, modern photography, or textured artworks like sculptural panels or mixed media. For a cohesive look, choose frames that match your room's palette, wood tones for warmth, black for contrast, or gold for a hint of glam. Don't be afraid to mix shapes and sizes, the variation adds energy and dimension. Even leaning artwork against a wall instead of hanging it can create a relaxed, curated atmosphere. In a luxury bedroom, art isn't just decor, it becomes a focal point that quietly tells your story. An area rug does more than warm your feet, it grounds the entire bedroom design. A statement rug brings texture, color, and personality to the space while anchoring the furniture layout. Whether you go for a bold geometric pattern, a soft abstract design, or a rich natural weave, the rug should feel like a visual foundation beneath the bed. To elevate the luxury, choose large rugs that extend beyond the sides and foot of the bed, framing it beautifully. Materials like wool, silk blends, or hand-knotted textiles instantly add refinement and comfort. Layering a soft rug over hardwood or stone flooring also balances the hard surfaces with softness. In a modern luxury bedroom, the rug isn't just an accessory, it's a statement of taste, comfort, and style that quietly pulls the whole room together. Luxury in the bedroom starts with the bed itself, and nothing transforms it faster than carefully chosen bedding and pillows. Begin with high thread count sheets in natural fabrics like cotton, linen, or bamboo for that crisp, breathable feel. Add a plush duvet or quilted coverlet in neutral tones or soft shades to keep the look timeless. Start with large Euro shams, add standard pillows, and finish with a few decorative cushions or a lumbar pillow for balance. Mix textures, like linen, velvet, and silk, to bring depth without loud patterns. A neatly styled bed instantly elevates the room and invites relaxation. It's one of the simplest ways to make your space feel indulgent, serene, and beautifully put together. Incorporating glass, mirrors, and reflective surfaces is a subtle yet powerful way to add light and luxury to a modern bedroom. Mirrored nightstands, high-gloss dressers, or a tall leaning mirror can visually expand the space while adding a sophisticated shine. These surfaces catch natural and ambient light, creating a gentle glow that enhances the overall mood. Even small details like chrome lamp bases, glass pendant lights, or metallic trims on furniture can elevate the look without overwhelming it. The key is balance. Too much shine can feel cold, but used thoughtfully, it adds polish and elegance. Reflective finishes bring dimension, brightness, and that quiet sense of glamour that defines a truly luxurious retreat. A modern luxury bedroom doesn't have to be bold to be beautiful. Sometimes, the most powerful design choice is simplicity. Zen-inspired elements bring calm, clarity, and purpose to the space. Think low-profile furniture, clean lines, and an uncluttered layout that allows the room to breathe. Natural materials like wood, stone, and cotton create a quiet connection to nature, while soft, neutral tones promote relaxation. Add a touch of greenery, a floor cushion, or a ceramic incense holder to complete the tranquil vibe. The goal isn't to decorate more, but to design with intention. Every object should feel essential, harmonious, and serene. A Zen-inspired bedroom becomes a place to reset, not just rest. In a world full of constant screens and notifications, creating a tech-free corner in your bedroom is a powerful way to invite stillness and focus. These small areas offer a break from devices, a space just for reading, journaling, or enjoying a quiet cup of tea. All it takes is a comfortable chair, a soft throw, and perhaps a small table with a warm lamp or a stack of favorite books. This kind of space adds balance to a modern bedroom, grounding it in calm and presence. Without distractions, the room feels more personal, less like a place you pass through and more like a place you truly live in. Tech-free corners are a reminder that sometimes, luxury is found in simplicity and the quiet moments we create for ourselves. High ceilings and refined architectural details can instantly elevate the feel of a bedroom, both literally and visually. Even in standard height rooms, thoughtful design can give the illusion of height and spaciousness. Tray ceilings, wood beams, or decorative molding draw the eye upward and add subtle drama without overwhelming the space. Cove lighting or recessed LED strips can enhance these ceiling features with a soft glow that feels elegant and modern. Painted or wallpapered ceilings in muted tones or textured finishes offer another layer of interest, turning a blank overhead space into a design statement. These quiet architectural choices bring depth, sophistication, and a sense of completeness that transforms the room into something truly special. Natural light is one of the most powerful design elements in any bedroom. It breathes life into the space and enhances every detail. Wide windows, sheer curtains, and glass doors help invite in the daylight, creating a warm, welcoming glow. But it's not just about brightness, it's also about how the light moves through the room. As the sun shifts, soft shadows form across textured walls, fabrics, and decor, adding subtle drama and depth. These gentle contrasts give the space a relaxed rhythm and a natural elegance that feels effortless. Position mirrors to reflect sunlight deeper into the room or use light filtering shades to soften harsh rays. Harnessing natural light creates a dynamic, ever-changing atmosphere that makes your bedroom feel alive, calm, and luxurious all at once. True luxury doesn't shout, it whispers through the small, thoughtful details. It's in the smooth glide of a drawer, the softness of a throw, the way a bedside lamp casts a warm, even glow. Quiet luxury is about refinement without excess, where every item feels chosen, not just placed. From sleek hardware finishes to finely stitched bedding, the focus is on quality, comfort, and cohesion. Even scent plays a role. Subtle notes of lavender, cedar, or linen can create a sensory experience that lingers. In a modern bedroom, quiet luxury means nothing is rushed or random. It's a feeling, built piece by piece, until the whole space feels calming, curated, and deeply personal. Designing a modern luxury bedroom is less about trends and more about creating a space that feels calm, intentional, and uniquely yours. It's in the textures you choose, the quiet corners you create, and the way every element works together to support rest and beauty. Whether you prefer minimalist elegance or soft, layered comfort, luxury comes from how your space makes you feel. If today's ideas inspired you to elevate your bedroom design, don't forget to like this video, share it with others who love interiors, and subscribe to HD Interiors for more timeless design inspiration. Your dream bedroom might be closer than you think. Sometimes, it just starts with a single idea.